Hello everyone, and welcome back to MTH Health. Today we're exploring Brazilian waxing, one of the world's most popular, yet often misunderstood methods of intimate hair removal. Millions of people choose Brazilian waxing every year, yet myths and misconceptions still cause unnecessary confusion. Let's separate the facts from the fiction. In this video, you'll learn what Brazilian waxing is, how it is performed safely, who should avoid it, and the essential aftercare steps for the best possible results. Unlike a standard bikini wax, a Brazilian wax removes most or all hair from the intimate area by pulling it from the root. The amount of hair removed depends entirely on personal preference. Because waxing removes hair from the root, the skin typically remains smooth for several weeks, although results vary depending on individual hair growth cycles. People choose Brazilian waxing for many reasons, including personal grooming, sports, comfort, or lifestyle preferences. There is no medical requirement to remove pubic hair. It is entirely a personal choice. Preparation is important. Hair should generally be about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch long enough for the wax to grip effectively. On the day of your appointment, keep the skin clean and dry. Avoid applying oils or lotions beforehand. Gentle exfoliation. 1 or 2 days before waxing may help reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Postpone waxing if you have active skin infections, sunburn, open wounds, or severe skin irritation. If you have a skin condition or concerns about your skin, consult a qualified healthcare professional first. Professional hygiene is essential. Fresh gloves, clean equipment, disposable sheets, and never reusing a wax applicator after it touches the skin all help reduce the risk of contamination. The procedure begins by cleansing the skin and checking the wax temperature. Wax is then applied in small sections. The skin is held taut, and the wax is removed quickly with proper technique to help minimize discomfort. Some temporary redness, mild swelling, or sensitivity is common, especially after a first Brazilian wax. These effects usually improve within 1 to 2 days. For the first 24 to 48 hours, avoid hot baths, saunas, swimming pools, tight clothing, and heavily fragranced products to give the skin time to recover. And finally, one of the biggest myths: waxing does not make hair grow back thicker. Hair thickness and growth are primarily determined by genetics and hormones. When performed with proper hygiene, correct technique, and appropriate aftercare, Brazilian waxing can be a safe and effective method of hair removal. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to MTH Health, and I'll see you in the